Ever wondered how your body's fuel looks in 3D? Let's build glucose atom by atom. Open Molecularity on ChemVerse. Today we're constructing glucose, C6H12O6. First, build the inner ring, 5 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atom. This 6-membered ring is the core shape of glucose in its common cyclic form. Now add the 6th carbon outside the ring. This is the CH2OH group. Next, add OH groups to the carbon atoms around the molecule. But notice something. Some carbon atoms still only have 3 bonds. Carbon needs 4 bonds, so we add hydrogen atoms to complete them. Now hit the 3D visualization. Rotate it, zoom in. This flat chemistry drawing suddenly becomes a real molecular structure. And that's glucose, the tiny molecule powering your brain, muscles, and cells every second. If you also want to learn molecular structures, try Molecularity ChemVerse now at chemverse.de.